This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now see, in this lecture we are going to learn how to add to the current content of a file.
This video is brought to you by OppyPy's Academy.
The file is already existing, it has got certain content. What we want to do is we want to add in the last new content. So what we will be doing is we will be opening the file in append mode, APPEND. Let me show you. Opening the file in append mode. Append means inserting in the last. So what we will do is fobj is equal to open, then we will give the name of the file. As you know, that was text.txt, and in place of file opening mode I am using A here stands for append, so it will be open in append mode. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to use a method called write. I would write fobj.write. Okay, when I will use write, I can give the new contents like this is a sample line appended to see the append mode file opening something. This is only the matter. Okay, so now what I will do is I will read the file, but because the file is already opened, it cannot be opened again, because I want to read the file so that I can check whether the new content have been appended or not. The first thing I will have to do is I will have to close the file which is opened in append mode. So I would write fobj.close. This is closing the file, right? File close is a built-in method. Now I will again open the file, but this time over in read mode. Okay, text.txt, R. So file has been opened in read mode. Now as usual I will write print fobj dot read. As you know, this will read the whole contents with one single go. So let me again explain. First I have opened the file in append mode. Appending means inserting in the last to the current contents. So fobj.write, this is a sample line appended to see the append mode file opening. This is the line which has been added, and then I will, in order to see whether the line has been appended or not, I will first close the file. Why? Because it has been opened in append mode. I cannot read from it because read mode is not there. Then I will reopen the file, and this time over what I will do is I will open the file in mistakenly here I had written fobj.open, whereas it should have been fobj is equal to open text.txt r. Control Shift F10, then I will read the file. As you can see, this is a sample line appended to see the append mode file opening mode, append mode file opening. So this line has been added. Okay, so this is how we can append to the current content of a file. Always remember, if you will use write mode, that is W mode here, that is going to overwrite the file. Let me show you. Here instead of using R, I am using W. As you know, the content of the file is I am Anand Mahajan, I run a computer institute, I am also online instructor with Udemy, etc. Now if I happen to use W write mode, what will happen is the file will be overwritten. All the previous content, they will be deleted. They will be deleted and they will be replaced by the new contents. So A stands for write mode. W stands for write mode. So this is a line appended to, but you will see only this line will appear. Control Shift F10. Yeah, as you can see, now I have opened the file in read mode and showed all the contents using fobj.read. As you can see, it's showing only one single line. What happened was, when you open the file in write mode, now whatever you will write, that will replace all the previous content. All the previous content will be deleted and only the new content will be will be added to the file. So always now I do hope that you have been able to understand the difference between A and W file opening mode. Thank you.